Are you frustrated with your computer's inadequate performance? Well, in that case, you have landed at the right place. We have the best solutions for you. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. The easiest way to speed up your computer is by performing a restart. Yes, a true restart can help the performance of your computer. When you shut down your computer, it often gets into hibernation mode and does not truly restart the system by clearing all the programs. Rather, it keeps everything running by keeping them in the memory. So restarting can help you speed up the performance of the computer. Method 2. Web browsers can be a reason behind the performance drop of your computer. If you're using a particular web browser and you notice any performance lag due to it, then changing it can be a solution. Now, it's not only the browser that is causing the issue, it can be the cache. This cache includes the cookies that you pick up when you visit different websites. Now, the cache can keep these details, and as you spend time online, they accumulate more data that can slow down the performance of the computer. So, once in a while, clean the cache memory for better performance of the computer. Method 3. While the Windows digital assistant Cortana is a handy feature to have, it can also be a reason behind your computer getting slow. Usually, Cortana runs in the background and uses disk space and other resources as long as the device is on. You can easily disable Cortana using the Task Manager. Simply go to the Task Manager and find Cortana. Right-click and disable it. Method 4. If restarting the computer is not helping, then resetting it can be a great alternative. Now, a reset works like a factory reset, but here you have two options to choose from. You can either keep all the data while deleting the programs and reset the computer, or you can clear everything out and then reset it. You can go to the search bar on your computer and type reset this PC and then find these options. But if you're resetting the computer, then make sure you're keeping a backup of all the important documents, photos, videos, and anything else that is important for you. Don't have a solution so far? After the video ends, join our Facebook group where our experts help users just like you solve tech issues daily. Join the group from the link in the description or the pinned comment and ask for help. We promise to help you out. Method 5. Another way of easily boosting the computer performance is by disabling the visual effects. Once you search the Start menu for sysdm.cpl, head over to the Advanced tab and under the Performance, click on the Settings button. Here you will come across different options and then you can choose the option Adjust for best performance. It will disable all the visual effects and increase the performance of your computer. Method 6. We all have files and software on our computers that we seldom use, but they are one of the main reasons behind slowing down your computer. So, to better optimize the performance of the computer, it is best to clean them and free up the space in your SSD. This will enable the SSD to better store the data and increase the performance of the computer significantly. Method 7. Well, Last but certainly not the least, and most probably the easiest way to better optimize the performance of your computer is to clean it up. The reason here is that dust can actually disturb the heat management of the computer and result in CPU de-throttling even if it is not performing at its peak. Now, if you're using a desktop computer, you can easily check how much dust it has accumulated and then open the case and clean it up. But for laptop computers, it is a bit difficult. In this case, you can remove the battery and check the vents for any visible dust and clear it up. So, these are some of the handy and unexpected ways to speed up your computer and optimize its performance. We hope one of these methods worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Join our Facebook group to get direct help on everything tech. Leave a comment and tell us if the solutions worked for you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.